4 reasons a social media side hustle is a great idea. There are plenty of side hustle opportunities out there. However, not all of them are going to be as profitable as managing social media for other people. In this presentation, I'm going to show you why being a social media manager is a great side hustle. Let's begin. Number 1, wide open market. There are literally millions of businesses who've had no clue how to manage their social media accounts. In fact, there are countless more who don't even have a web presence. Some stick to old-fashioned marketing methods without realizing just how much money they're leaving on the table. It's your job to convince them of the power of social media. If you do your homework, you can easily convince business owners to put their social media future in your hands. The good news is, you're not limited to working with businesses in your local area. You can basically offer your services to businesses all over the world. Number 2, easy to automate. Social media management is extremely scalable. You can use automation tools like Agora Pulse, Buffer, and Hootsuite to manage your social media posts. You don't need to worry about doing everything by hand. You can simply upload your content and specify when you want the post to publish, and these awesome tools will take care of the rest for you. Number 3, highly profitable. Since social media management is easy enough to automate, it means you can have as many paying clients as you want. If you're charging each client a few $100s per month for the service, then imagine how much profit you're going to be making if you have 5, 10, or 15 clients. Once your clients start seeing results, it will be easy to convince them to sign up for your other services. For example, you can offer to write blog posts for their website and then promote these on various social media channels. When it comes to upselling, the sky's the limit actually. Every client is different. Figure out how you can add value to their businesses and you'll soon be raking in tons of cash. Number 4, you can outsource content creation. You don't need to do everything yourself, especially if you're working with a number of different clients. You can outsource the client creation part, that is, have someone else write the social media posts and maybe hire another person to do the graphics. This way, all you're left to do is basically upload the post to your automation software of choice. This frees up your time so you can go look for even more clients.